channel. Before we start the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to keep watching the video. Today we are thrilled to present the latest hijab dress trends of 2023. Get ready to be captivated as we reveal 20 breathtaking designs that flawlessly combine modesty and style. From chic and modern to elegantly traditional, these hijab dresses cater to diverse tastes and preferences. Embrace an array of vibrant colors and graceful silhouettes that beautifully complement hijab fashion. Each dress exudes timeless elegance perfect for both formal occasions and everyday wear. Stay tuned for more fashion, inspiration, and styling tips on our channel.